Have you ever wondered whether you should file a patent before developing your product? After more than 30 years of developing products, it's one of the most common questions I'm asked, and my answer usually surprises people. I tell them, not yet. Here's why. Many founders think a patent is the first step. I believe it's one of the last, not because patents aren't valuable, but because timing matters. Here's something many founders don't realize. The purpose of patent research isn't just to see if your idea is patentable, it's to understand the landscape. Who else has solved this problem? How did they solve it? What patents already exist? Can they be designed around? Is there actually room for innovation? Those answers often shape the direction of the entire product. This is why patent research comes first, not patent filing. Here's another surprise. Most patent applications don't get approved the first time. In fact, about 90% receive a rejection on their first office action. Only about half of all patent applications are eventually granted. The process often takes years, and the average utility patent can cost between $5,000 and $10,000 just to prepare and file. That's before responding to patent office rejections, before additional legal fees, and before enforcement costs. Now let's assume everything goes perfectly. You receive your patent. Many founders believe they're protected, but a patent doesn't stop someone from copying you. It gives you the right to enforce your patent, and patent litigation can cost millions of dollars. That's simply unrealistic for most startups. Here's something else I think founders should consider. If you file your patent too early, you may actually limit your own product development. Imagine your engineer discovers a much better solution, a simpler mechanism, a stronger design, a lower cost approach. Now they face a difficult decision. Do they design the best possible product, or do they stay within the boundaries of a patent that was written before the engineering was complete? That's a position you don't want your engineering team in. Personally, I prefer giving engineers the freedom to innovate first. Then, once the product has been developed, the prototype has been built, the technology has been validated, and you've decided you're moving forward, that's often the time to evaluate filing a patent. Because now, you're protecting what actually works, not what you originally imagined. Here's another perspective. Many founders believe patents are what create successful businesses. I don't. I believe products create businesses. Brands create businesses. Customer relationships create businesses. Think about the products you buy every day. Do you buy them because they have patents, or because you trust the brand? Competitors can often engineer around a patent, but they can't copy your reputation. They can't copy your customer experience. They can't copy your brand. That's why I often recommend investing in building a remarkable product and a remarkable brand. Those assets usually create far more long-term value. Now, does that mean patents aren't important? Absolutely not. Some products absolutely deserve patent protection, especially breakthrough technologies, novel engineering solutions, or products where intellectual property creates a meaningful competitive advantage. The key is making that decision at the right time, not simply because someone told you every idea needs a patent. At Rabbit Product Design, our patent research and analysis is designed to educate founders, not sell patents. We help you understand the existing landscape, identify potential risks, evaluate opportunities, and determine whether pursuing a patent actually makes strategic sense for your product. Because every product is different, every market is different, and every founder deserves advice based on facts, not assumptions. If you're wondering whether your product should be patented, start with research. Understand the landscape, build the right product, validate that it works, then decide whether protecting it is the smartest next investment. Schedule a free strategy session. Click the link in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring the bell.